Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we have Mitsubishi Lancer Evolution 10, and we are going to look at it, and we are going to have a quick review of this Evolution 10 and look at the registration of this Mitsubishi Evolution 10. To start with the interior, this is the interior of this Mitsubishi Evolution. The vehicle is not so complicated, has a very simple interior with a manual adjustable seat, as you can see. This one is integrated with an Android radio. Let me just switch the vehicle on. Okay. You can see the Android radio. Full Android with a music system. You can see this is equalizer. So the AC, automatic AC, front and rear, heated front seat and rear seats. So you can see, okay, the radio is on, and the vehicle, the radio itself, and go to the menu. The main menu has a navigation, Bluetooth, application, themes, radio, music. Those are the features in this Android radio fitted with this Evolution 10, and the vehicle is a four-wheel drive, but you can switch to two-wheel drive or lock to four-wheel drive using this knob. That is four-wheel drive, that is two-wheel drive. It has a switch for the automatic adaptive lights. You can use it to switch on and off. It has an armrest, as you can see. Some pocket to put some luggages inside. The dashboard is simple also. This vehicle is a competition, it's a sport car, so the interior is just simple, as you can see. Something special about this vehicle, on the steering wheel, it has some controls here, as you can see. As for the radio, you can use them to, let me switch on the radio, see how you can use this radio. So you can reduce the volume using this knob, or increase the volume. You don't need to, while driving, you don't need to keep on touching the radio to reduce the volume. The radio while driving. On the other side, the vehicle has cruise control. You can see it's indicated on the dashboard. You switch on using this button on the steering while driving. You can switch on and off. These are pedal shifts. This car, as I had told you, it has something special. It has an automatic gearbox called Sportronic Shift Automatic Dual Clutch Gearbox. This gearbox, you can just put, that is a normal drive, as you can see on the dashboard. That is a normal automatic vehicle drive, but you can put to the manual mode. As you can see, it has indicator number 1 on the dashboard, and while driving you can use this pedal shift to, while driving, to go up and down. This one is going up, is indicated positive. This one is reducing gear. It has 5-speed manual and 6-speed automatic. Okay, that is something little about this Evolution 10. Let's go look at the engine and the exterior of this vehicle. Start with the exterior of the vehicle. This vehicle has a very wide rims, all wheels, as you can see. Let me turn it outside so that you can see it clearly. It's a very wide vehicle for your stability while driving, performance brake pads, and that's how it looks. The wheels, the front, you can see this eye, the front headlight with these adaptive lights, which makes this vehicle, since introduction, it has a very fine, super fine finish with a fog light, and this is a catchy front exterior. This shape makes this vehicle look good and smart. You can see the front and how it looks in the exterior of this Evolution 10 2008. We check you around the vehicle. Has rear brake pads. Let's see the rear exterior. This is how it looks. With this amazing boot spoiler, which is so unique for this Lancer, and give it the complete sport touch. This rear tail lights, which are so unique. You do not see them in many ordinary cars, and that's how it looks at the rear. I'll try just to hide those numbers. So let's go at the front and see how it looks. Once up here, let's see the engine. The vehicle has a 2-liter engine with a turbo. 2-liter turbo engine. It's a very small saloon car, but with a big engine. Is the engine we're talking about. Let me switch it off so that we can discuss about it. This engine is a 2-liter turbo engine, and the engine can produce 206 kilowatts of power, or 276 horsepower. It's not many sedan car will produce this great power. That's why this is a sport car. Not your ordinary car. You see it? Okay, let's turn to the registration. I'm going to check the chassis number, the engine number, and the plate of this vehicle. The chassis number is located at the driver seat mounting, front driver seat mounting. I'll show you. Okay, this is the chassis number for this Evolution 10 2008 model. At the below the driver seat, this is the VIN plate or the tag for this Evolution 10. At the front door pillar, as you can see, that is a VIN plate. Let me show you the chassis number for this vehicle. It is on the foreside of the engine, at the oil filter, on top of the oil filter holder. At the top of the oil filter holder, that's where you're going to see the chassis number. Okay, there you go. Let me try to zoom it so that you can see it. That is the engine number of this vehicle. At the top of the oil filter, the top of the oil filter, that's where you can see the chassis number. And that is a quick review for this Evolution 10. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe, like and comment.